Welcome to the Self-Prep to 170 course. This course is designed specifically for beginners who have decided to self-study for the LSAT. I myself was in your shoes not that long ago. I self-studied and ended up scoring a 170. So how is this going to work? We will begin by mastering the fundamentals of conditional reasoning. After that, we will spend significant time on the logical reasoning section, since it is two-thirds of your score after all. So we will go over each question type of the logical reasoning section and develop a strategy for each. After you study each question type, I'm going to ask you to go drill that question type with increasing difficulty. After finishing all the question types for the logical reasoning section, we are going to cover some strategies for reading comprehension. And after that, the real learning is going to start. I'm going to ask you to do one or two full LSAT sections a day and one practice test a week. And once you're done either of these, I'm going to ask you to review your wrong answers in a wrong answer journal. If you don't know what reviewing means or what the wrong answer journal is, that is completely fine. We'll cover those later in detail. So what do you need to get started? Three things. First, a notebook and a pen. As we learn the different strategies for different question types, I highly recommend making notes, especially for the next two lessons where we cover conditional reasoning. Do not use a laptop, as we'll be learning diagramming, and diagramming on a laptop is almost impossible. Second, a LawHub Advantage subscription. LawHub Advantage is a subscription sold by LSAT, the folks who run the LSAT, and it is required to access the past LSAT questions for practice. LSAT preparation can only be done by solving past LSAT questions, and the only way to access it is a LawHub Advantage subscription. Now, that subscription is about 124 US dollars a year. I know it is expensive, but there's genuinely no way out. But if you are a US or a Canadian citizen, I'm going to have some links in the description down below to see if you're eligible for a fee waiver. If you are eligible for a fee waiver, you can get LawHub Advantage for free, and you can also get one or two LSAT settings for free. So I'll leave the links in the description down below for you to check it out. Third, and I highly recommend this one, but it is optional, a prep platform that will let you drill by question type and something that has a solution for every single LSAT question. Now, you may think that I am just promoting my own prep platform here, which will let you drill by question type and has a solution for every single LSAT question, but the truth is, I did not use any prep platforms for my first sitting, and I was stuck in the low 160s for the whole time. It was only after joining a prep platform was I personally able to break into the 170s. So it is optional, but I highly recommend it. You can join my prep platform, which is the cheapest one in the market, or you can join any of these expensive prep platforms. Regardless of which platform you join, you can still make use of this course. So that's it, folks. The first 5 videos for my course are out already. And just so you know, I am starting law school in exactly a week from recording this video. So I'm only going to continue making videos for the course if there is enough engagement and if people actually find it useful. So please let me know by subscribing, liking, or commenting down below. And I'll see you in the next video where we start learning conditional reasoning.